Hello, my name is Philip Carlo and I am from grade 7B. And this is computer presentation about computer languages. So let's start. A computer language is a method of communication with a computer. We'll talk about machine, assembly, algorithmic, and high-level languages. Machine language or machine code is a computer programming language consisting of binary or hexadecimal instructions which a computer can respond to directly. An example of a machine language is the IBM system. Assembly language is a low-level language, symbolic code converted by an assembler, and is machine independent. Examples are PC and DOS. Note: an assembly language program written for one computer may not be used in another computer. Algorithmic languages is a formal language intended for describing computational processes or, equivalently, for writing down algorithms to be executed by computers. The term algorithmic language usually refers to a problem-oriented language, as opposed to machine code, which is a notation that is directly interpreted by a machine. Examples of algorithmic language are Algol, Algol 68, Colbol, iLisp, Simila, PLI, and Fortran. And in the USSR, there's Algams, Alpha, and Refal. High-level language is a programming language with strong abstraction from the details of the computer. Examples of high-level language are Python, Visual, Basic, Delphi, Perl, PHP, ECMAScript, Ruby, C#, Java, etc. That's all. Thank you.